So now let's just quickly design the UI for displaying the categories. So right click on widgets, new .file. We can give it name as categories underscore list. So there is our categories list widget. Now for the time saving, go back to the banners list and simply from here select all the code from here and then come back to the categories list and simply paste it here. And of course we will do the changes here now. So first of all, let's change the name of it. Select refactor, rename. It is category list. And what we need to do is, after displaying the image, we will display the category name, which we can do so. As you know, the category name we save inside the database by the key name just like this. Now let's wrap this inside a padding widget and let's apply style. Color will be colors.gray. Now let's test our application. So now let's go to the upload category. Okay, we have to add a click event. So go to the home screen and where we have upload category. So upload category, upload, it is our category screen. Now let's go to upload category, and one thing which I remember now before testing the application, please make sure that here on our category screen, when the admin click on the button which is save button, when the admin click on the save button before executing this code, cut this for now, Ctrl X, we have to check that if form key dot current state dot validate. Also we have to check if the image file, if this is not equals to null, then only in that case we have to execute this code. Okay, so make sure to add these two if conditions. And similarly on our banner screen as well, when the admin click on the save button, let's add this if condition first, then the second if condition, which is for checking the image. This is the banner screen, okay, and we will move this code inside the inner if statement just like this. However, in case of category, as you know that we have also the text field, so we will check if category name is not empty. It must not be empty. Okay, so now let's test the app. Go to upload category. If I click on save, it will not upload and it will show us the the validator will show us the please fill category name field, which we did here on the user interface of our category. Okay, so anyways, now let's just proceed. Pick image. So let's add this category This will be like ice cream category, ice cream. Click save. Uploading category, uploaded successfully, and it must show us here. We have to check the code why it is not visible here. First, let's confirm it from the database. So in the storage we have category images, which is uploaded, of course, you can see. Then in the database we have categories. The category is added here successfully, you can see. Now let's check the retrieving part here in our code on the category screen. So you know that this is the form. Okay, yeah, this is the upload form of the displaying code is here. I mean, here we forgot to call our category list. Make sure to call it here. Okay, so now if we go to the upload category, then we have a problem here which says that name does not exist. So let's check where is the problem. And the problem is let's verify. Okay, we forgot to, as you know, this is our category list, so we forgot to call here our category view model, where we have the business logic implemented inside this method. So we can say category view model dot read categories from Firestore. Let's check out now. And there is too much space, so our category list design, where we have here it is. Okay, let's comment out this. Let's see. Now it's okay. Just remove this. So you know, this is the simple way. I will explain the code now for it. First of all, about the UI, you already know we have implemented this. Okay, the admin choose any category image, just like for the banners we implemented. And let's say if the admin wants to add a new category, let's say this one, this will be, let's say, sweets, or you can say desserts menu. Okay, so now when the moment when the admin click on the button which is save, then you know that first it will edit the form, and then it shows snake bar upload category, which is now, if I click, you see that. And after that it will when the image is uploaded successfully, it shows as upload successfully, which simply means that first it call this method, first it upload the image, it get the download URL, and it save it inside the database, which we already verify, as you can see. So once it is uploaded, then the next thing, you know that we clear, that is reset our form. We set this to null and category name equals to empty. That's why you see an empty form, because we reset it. And then what we do next is we display this toast snack bar message, which is uploaded successfully. So this is all about the category uploading and retrieving. It is so simple and so easy, just like the banners screen.